Okay, so all of you please concentrate here. We are going to discuss that the second application of a transistor, and which is nothing but transistor as an switch. आता ट्रान्झिस्टर स्विच म्हणून कसा ऍक्ट होतो हे लक्षात येण्यासाठी पहिल्यांदा स्विचच्या दोन कंडिशन्स असतील. कोणत्या दोन कंडिशन असेल? एक तर स्विच इट कॅन बी ओपन or switch it can be closed. This is the closed switch and this one is an open switch. And now the same things we are going to discuss when the transistor will act as a closed switch for the digital circuit and when the transistor acts as a open circuit for the digital circuit. And accordingly in the digital circuit the transistor it can be acts as a switch. Let's try to think about it. Okay. Now, if I want to discuss before that in terms of diode, as we know that diode can be biased either in forward or in reverse. आता मला सांगा, जर डायोड हा फॉरवर्ड बायस मध्ये ऍक्ट केला, वर्क केला, तर त्याचा रेजिस्टन्स काय असतो? गिव्ह मी द रिस्पॉन्स.
Low.
Absolutely, it's a low. And when the diode is connected in a reverse bias, what is the resistance offered by the reverse bias diode?
Very high.
It's a very high. Very good. So can I say that when the diode, when it is connected in a forward bias, as it offers the low resistance, it means that it can be acts like a closed switch. आता switch closed आहे म्हणजे काय झाला? The current can flow through it. बरोबर आहे? And when the diode acts in a reverse bias, can I say that it can be acts like a open switch? Do you agree with my statement? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, आता हा जसा कन्सेप्ट आपण बघितला ओपन स्विच, कारण डायोड सुद्धा डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मध्ये ऍज अन स्विच म्हणून ऍक्ट होतं. आता आपल्याला लास्ट टॉपिक बघायचा आहे, म्हणजे जे डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मध्ये तुम्हाला मे बी अवेअर असेल की अँड गेट, देन ऑर गेट, देन नॉट गेट, देन नॅन्ड, नॉर, एक्सऑर, भरपूर गेट आहेत. मग हे गेट कसे प्रिपेअर केलेत? What is the basic circuit diagram of these all logic gates? So these logic gates is either prepared by the use of a PN junction diode or the transistor. मग आपण तुम्ही फक्त काय केलेलं आहे आतापर्यंत डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स हे फक्त सिम्बॉल वरती शिकलाय. म्हणजे एनोड सॉरी अँड गेट हा सिम्बॉल म्हणून तुम्ही यूज केलाय आणि त्याचा ट्रूथ टेबल पार्ट केला. Am I right? परंतु हा सिम्बॉलच्या पाठीमागे सर्किट डायग्राम काय आहे? How the actually AND gate it is prepared? So right now I will give that application of diode and the transistor. So every logic gate it is made up with a diode and the transistor. And we know that in the digital circuit the signals is either 0 or 1. दोनच signals आहेत, एक तर high किंवा low. And in this way when the diode is closed, it means that you will get that output is 1. If the diode is open, it means that in the digital electronics output 0 is there. And with the same way, we have to discuss that how the transistor can be acts like a switch in the digital circuit is there. And when I say that it's a switch, definitely either the transistor can act like an open switch or it can act like a closed switch. When it will act like a closed switch, definitely we have that output is 1. Get it my point? And respectively, when it is acts like a open, we say that output is 0 in the digital electronics is there. आता फक्त तुम्ही कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करा की ट्रान्झिस्टर हा कधी क्लोज स्विच म्हणून ऍक्ट होईल आणि कधी ओपन स्विच म्हणून ऍक्ट होईल. नाउ इन दॅट लेट्स वी सी दॅट द फर्स्ट पार्ट इट्स ओपन स्विच. आता ज्यावेळेस ट्रान्झिस्टर हा ओपन स्विच म्हणून ऍक्ट होईल. पहिल्यांदा बघायचं की तो कसा ओपन स्विच म्हणून ऍक्ट होतोय. As we know that this is a common emitter configuration, we know that emitter and base junction is always connected in a forward bias and collector and base junction is always connected in a reverse bias. Now see that this is a NPN type of a transistor. आता जर तुम्ही बघितला, this terminal acts as a collector, this terminal acts as a base, this one acts as an emitter. Now collector to base junction is connected in a reverse bias. So this N region is connected to the positive terminal. And that emitter to base junction, we will connect it to that input voltage. But now when I say that input voltage is a 0, when I say that input voltage is a 0, it means that आता ज्यावेळेस इनपुट व्होल्टेज 0 आहे म्हणजे बेस करंट IB सुद्धा 0च असला पाहिजे. बरोबर आहे. मग कधी बेस करंट 0 असू शकतो की जर इमिटर टू बेस जंक्शन हे कनेक्टच नाही केलं किंवा रिव्हर्स बायस मध्ये कनेक्ट केलं तर IB इज इक्वल टू 0 येऊ शकतं. मग जर IB इज इक्वल टू 0 आहे याचा अर्थ असा होतो की इमिटर टू बेस जंक्शन इन रिव्हर्स बायस and also collector to base junction in a reverse bias. And when both the junctions are in a reverse bias, so definitely it will act like a, or it will act in a cutoff region. बरोबर आहे. मग आता IB is equal to 0 आहे किंवा emitter to base junction, as you know that the transistor is nothing but the two PN junction diode. One diode is in between emitter to base and another diode is in between collector to base. मग ज्या वेळेस emitter to base junction हा reverse bias मध्ये कनेक्ट केलाय म्हणजे तो डायोड हा just like a open circuit act झाला. Now here in this case I say that this junction, collector to base junction, emitter to base junction, as it is connected to that input voltage is equal to 0, means IB is equal to 0. The emitter to base junction, it acts like an open switch. It means that you have to remember that when the transistor is operated in a cut-off region, that time the whole transistor acts like an open because both the junctions acts in a reverse bias. And when the whole transistor acts like an open, then whatever the supply voltage is there, so you will get the supply voltage in between these two open terminal. कारण आपण याच्यापूर्वी DC circuit मध्ये एक concept शिकला. Whenever the circuit becomes open, the total applied voltage will appear across this open terminal. Means you will get that output voltage is equal to 0. म्हणजे जर आता जर तुम्ही बघितलं तर मी ह्याला नॉट गेट म्हणू शकतो का बघा. या सर्किटला नॉट गेट का म्हणतोय मी? कारण इनपुट व्होल्टेज तुम्ही किती दिलं? 0. आउटपुट किती मिळालं तुम्हाला? 1. What is the output of NOT gate? When input is 0, output is 1. When input is 1, output is 0. Get it my point? So what you have to remember, when the transistor is operated in a cutoff region, the transistor acts like a open. मग हा तुम्हाला MCQ ला प्रश्न विचारला जाऊ शकतो. When the transistor is operated as an open switch in cutoff region, active region, saturation region, or inverted region. So your answer should be cutoff region is there. आता when the transistor is connected to the input voltage is equal to 0, that time it can be acts like a open switch. And now see that when it will act like a closed switch. आता ट्रान्झिस्टर हा कॉमन इमिटर मध्येच कनेक्ट केलेला आहे. फक्त जो बेस जो आहे, the base is connected to the supply voltage, and in terms of digital electronics we say that it is connected to 1. And now here the certain value of base current it flows. It means that emitter to base junction is connected in a forward bias. But as the base region, this is the base region, this is the collector region, this is the emitter region, and this is NPN type of a transistor. As the base region, which is nothing but the P region, is connected to the positive terminal of a supply, and the collector region is also connected to the positive terminal of supply, it means that collector to base junction acts in a forward bias. Actually, how it should be connected? Reverse bias. But when the V-in is connected to the positive terminal of a supply, it means that the base region is connected to the positive terminal of a supply. Collector to base junction is connected in a forward bias, and emitter to base junction is also connected in a forward bias. And when both the junctions is connected in a forward bias, the transistor is operated in a saturation region. आता दोन्ही जंक्शन फॉरवर्ड बायस मध्ये आहेत, म्हणजे दोन्हीही पीएन जंक्शन डायोड हे ज्यावेळेस फॉरवर्ड बायस मध्ये म्हणून ऍक्ट होतील, म्हणजे हा एंटायर ट्रान्झिस्टर हा फॉरवर्ड बायस मध्ये ऍक्ट झाला, सो दॅट इट विल ऍक्ट लाईक अ क्लोज्ड स्विच. So that when it will act like a closed switch, the current can flow through the RC, but it will be grounded. It will be grounded to this neutral terminal so that output becomes 0. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस इनपुट तुमचं 1 आहे त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला आउटपुट काय मिळणार आहे? 0 मिळणार आहे. In this case, I say that when the transistor is connected in a saturation region, it can be acts like a closed switch. So these are, in this way, the transistor, it can be acts like a switch in terms of the digital electronic circuit is there. So what the summary you need to understand here? So you have to remember that one thing. First thing, when the transistor is connected in cut-off region, in the cut-off region, it will be acts like an open switch. And when it will be operated in saturation region, it will be acts like a closed switch. This is the summary of this 2 slides is there. Is it that clear? So with this, let me conclude that this our bipolar junction transistor is 100% completed here. And from the next lecture onwards, we will